To sign up for all of your PD for the year with KALPA, go to the new website that was sent out by Elaine, and then you're going to do your Google sign-on. This is what the dashboard is going to look like. When you need to search for all of your PD, you're going to go into the course catalog. And for the 2 opening day, you're just going to type in the word open, and you're going to see open day 1 and opening day 2. And over here on the right, you click the 3 buttons and click register, and then your annual professional development, and hit continue. And then go ahead and do it for the other one. For your PD throughout the school year, you can search by your building or your grade level, so either elementary, middle school, or high school. So for middle school, if I type in middle, you'll see all of the half-day PDs here. If I type in high school, I'm going to see all of the high school PDs here. Elementary, same thing. And then if you are a brand new teacher and you have to attend new teacher training this year, if you just type in the word new, you're going to see all of the various new teacher trainings that are in here as well. Same process, you're going to click the 3 dots and click register, and then choose if it's annual PD or if it's other PD for you.